It's windy and cold. Let's just do this. So first we'll read the instructions, or we'll drink Fireball. Whatever comes first. They say these go bad. Let's fix that. So while we fix the shift linkage, we're going to make some adjustments. I don't like the gap here. I mean, the one in the back ain't so bad. Maybe we'll adjust that too. If you make adjustments here, then you got to pull it off here to make this. So you got adjustment here, here, and back here, and here. If you don't have a rear shifter, I wouldn't even worry about this. I would just extend this out. But yeah, we're gonna fix this problem here. We're gonna take off this, and then the front side. We're gonna keep it the same because the new one has a really cool bolt. So we'll put this on the inside. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna need a 13 on the front and 7/16 on the back. Get this nut off. Oh yeah. Put a boot down there because it's gonna drop down once I take this off. All right. Take off the other side. All right, got her. All right, let's find a new one and make adjustments. Loosen these wing nuts on the sides here, and then we'll spin these out evenly so it's the same as that one. If you have one with the Harley symbol, because some of these bolts are fixed on one side, not the other, you have to pull this whole shaft out and then spin it around and put the whole nut back in. But I don't have that, so all I gotta do is put the bolt in. Wherever the other one went, I lost it. All right, let's put it back together. A little bit of blue Loctite. That's all we need. All right, we'll start the back one, and then we'll work our way to the front. Okay, now this is where I want to know where my shifter is at on my boot. So I gotta get it to exact. I want it about a 1/2 inch up. That looks about right. I'm gonna tighten her down. Alright, looking good. So we do it by specs, you know what I'm saying? So we definitely want to torque them down correctly. So that means super hand tight. Oh yeah, that's tight. Front side, I gotta use 2 wrenches here. Hold on. The front one, same torque setting. Super damn tight. Perfect. Now we're going to tighten up these wing nuts. I like the adjustment of my shifter, but now my heel shifter is a little high. So let's fix that. I'm going to loosen this up, pull it off because there's gears in here, put it down 1 notch. adjusted it one notch, so now we gotta make sure it doesn't bottom out. Perfect. Now I can tighten it up. Super damn tight. Perfect. Okay, she's done. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.